What if I told you there's an AI that can write your emails, design your graphics, and even organize your tasks, all in a matter of minutes? Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, guess what? It's real, and I'm about to show you how it can change everything. Welcome to The Curious Owl, where we explore the latest breakthroughs and the wonders of the world. Today, we're diving into a world-changing topic: AI tools that could seriously transform your life. Whether you're looking to save time, boost creativity, or just make life easier, AI is here to help. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Let's start with ChatGPT, an AI that can be your personal assistant. Imagine asking it to write a report, create a to-do list, or even brainstorm ideas for a new project, all in seconds. It's perfect for students, writers, or anyone looking to simplify their daily tasks. Want to test it out? Drop a question in the comments below and see how fast ChatGPT can respond. Tool number 2, Notion AI next. Notion AI takes your productivity to a new level by organizing your thoughts and ideas automatically. Need help drafting an outline for your next project? Let Notion do the heavy lifting. Tool number 3, DALL-E. Now, let's dive into the creative side. DALL, a tool that creates images from simple text prompts, can bring your wildest ideas to life. Want a picture of a robot playing the guitar on Mars? Just type it in. Tool number 4, Runway ML. For video creators, Runway ML is a game changer. It allows you to edit videos seamlessly using AI-powered tools, removing backgrounds, enhancing visuals, and even automating animations. Tool number 5, Grammarly. Not a writer? No problem. Grammarly is here to make sure your text is clear, error-free, and professional, whether it's an email, report, or social media post. Tool number 6, Otter.ai. Last but not least, Otter.ai is an AI that transcribes live conversations or meetings, making sure you never miss an important detail. Forget the hassle of taking notes during a meeting. And there you have it, 6 AI tools that can transform how you work, create, and live. But wait, which one are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments.